It's no secret. I take ashwagandha. Yes, I've been taking ashwagandha for a while now, and I feel like I owe you this conversation because I get a lot of these questions, especially when I am live. You guys are asking me about ashwagandha, like I manufacture ashwagandha, I know where it comes from, and all of those things. Truth is, I started taking ashwagandha at a very like crazy time in my life to what was a coping mechanism ended up being an actual part of my lifestyle. So let's get into another girl chat or other yep session. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. My name is Povadimu and welcome back. Guys, I can't believe I'm actually talking about ashwagandha. And side note is I'm not an expert when it comes to ashwagandha, but I'm just here to share with you my personal experience. So I've been taking ashwagandha literally kaning zohlanganisa unyaka this year. And this is why I actually started taking ashwagandha, right? So I was going through grief literally after losing my mom. And I would always talk about how painful it is to lose a parent and the pain that comes with and how painful grief with. But to be quite honest, guys, grief is uncomfortable. I struggled for literally a good like since my mom passed, I was struggling, with going and coping through grief. And I felt like as the time kept on going, people just tell you to be strong and then they tell you that you've gained an ancestor. You also get tired of going around people and crying about your business. It just hurts, because grief literally shatters you. At least it literally crushes you. I never comprehended the experience whenever people would explain how grief is. And I also watched my own mother go through grief after losing her mother. And I never understood what she was experiencing. But it was only when Umama Segashona, I then was in that position and I understood ukuthi ipain yokuluza umzali, particularly umama. Guys, literally our moms are portals into the world. So you can understand how it feels like you've just lost your anchor, you've just lost your compass, you've just lost your source of gravity, and it does something to you. You can literally go into deep depressive states, especially within the first, few months, the first year and everything. However, um with going through grief, I realized that grief lena ibhekane nami, no matter how much I can run with it. I remember the first Christmas without my mom, it was giving Hell's Kitchen. I literally felt like, what the F am I doing here? Ngiyaphi mina la? Ngiyaphi ngithathe ke? Enigma uthe uJesu uyeza, why angafikanga? That's literally how I was feeling. I was so sad. I was so down because ayikho into engayithayanga, guys. Ngiphuzile, bengidla, ngilala, ngikhala, ngivuka, ngikhala. Guys, angazi ukuthi ngayi-explain-a kanjani ipain yokushonelwa umama ne, mara ibuhlungu and abaningi benu ngiyabona ninokuze kuma-D_M wami nithi niya-understand-a ipain yami and like mina I don't understand your pain because the thing is ngiyazwelana nawe, I sympathize with you, but I can never understand the extent of the pain you felt depending on the relationship you had with your parent. Like mina, in my experience, my mommy was my best friend and I believe she's still my best friend unless sekangilahlile, but she's all I literally knew. So you understand ukuthi it means my whole life has shifted from having a safe space to literally feeling naked. So that's how I felt for a literally long time. I felt ukuthi I died with her that day. Something shifted in me and the grief izokukhulisa ngenye indlela onga-expectanga. Uyangi-understand? So i-pain yokushonelwa umama, guys, it's not as easy as umalume, ugogo, ubani bani. Guys, ibuhlungu. ibuhlungu, angina explanation for yona, and I don't wish that pain even on anyone. However, in things zokutshela yona nje ukuthi if you are watching this content piece and you still have a mom, please be grateful by all costs, because mase kufika leyo chapter leyo, it is one of the painful thing. And akekho umuntu ozokududuza, because nobody understands the pain you felt. The deeper the love you had for your loved one, the more painful the grief. I don't know if it makes sense, right? So, um, I did not know that I was literally just pushing myself because I had to keep going. Life had to keep on happening until the first year of grief hit. Literally, my mom's death anniversary. When it hit, that's when I knew that hell to the NO. I am dying here. What the hell just happened to me? It's like everything came back to me. And trust me, at that particular time, if like I did not have kids and any of those things, I think mhlampe kube ngabaleka or ngangena kunyawupe or anything of that sort, because that's why I cannot describe the pain that comes with losing your mom. It's either it's gonna break you or it's gonna strengthen you. That's why ubone abanye abantu babashonela lapho umama like baphenduka amaphara, kuba kuningi guys, kuba kuningi, and mina I will never judge them because I feel ukuthi ibuhlungu lento le guys. It was also not nice, guys. I've got two boys and I would sometimes break down in front of them and they do not understand because bona it's their grandmother. Yes, they know ukuthi akasekho, but if now every 5 minutes I'm gonna break down any little thing in public, maybe ngibambe iraj, umama mbekathanda i-mild and spicy, sengiyibhekile ngibona ngathi uzothi hayi thatha ilena garlic or lena what. You understand ukuthi anything guys igrief ibuhlungu. Uthi usayenza igroza uhlangana nabantu bahamba nabomama babo, Khaliani wena, unga-understand umama bekathandwa ama-flowers, mangibona ama-flowers ngithi ithi ngithathele I got introduced to ashwagandha when I was going down the rabbit hole. And I was like, let me try this out. Let me see ukuthi izongiphatha kanjani, because to be quite honest, I did not know what to expect. Bengifuna anything just to escape the pain I was feeling. You understand? And then I literally bought my first bottle of ashwagandha. Ngathenga leya se-Clicks, ne? If I can, I think I'll put pictures up. I bought the brand that's it Clicks. I bought that brand, I think it was 200 or something. Ngayicala ngayiphuza ke, phuza ngaphuza ngaphuza ngaphuza. Trust me, that first month of ashwagandha, literally ngicala ukufila like 2-3 weeks in. That first month of ashwagandha, I was the most emotional. I was the most angriest. I was the most irritable. Literally anything would just set off my energy, like being frustrated. You understand? But now, what I want to tell you, the secret in ashwagandha is, ashwagandha, it is there to regulate your nervous system. Remember how I always tell you that as a woman, the biggest gift that you can give to yourself is a regulated nervous system. A regulated nervous system. Ashwagandha mayithola ukuthi i-nervous system yakho is a survival nervous system. You got too much trauma, you are this, you are that. Iqala ngaphansi ke. Iqala ngaphansi, ingena ngaphansi, ikhuphule yonke i-anxiety, ikhuphule wonke ama-frustration, wonke ama-emotion. So literally the first month of taking ashwagandha, that is how I was feeling. I was going through the most. It was like ngiceda ukuzwa manje ukuthi umama ushonile. And then ngicabanga ney'ndaba zami zakudala, ngicabanga nama-ex wami awangihetha ngo-1994. Uyangi-understand ukuthi kuba kuningi ngesikhathi esiyi-one, ugcwelelene, isibibithwane silana, nje wena ulokhu la anything. Umntwana uyafika uthatha i-laptop uyayivala, bona bowusabukele imoja love. So uyakhala, why ususa i-laptop? Uyangi-understand? That's what it does. But angisho manje sengiyangixoxela experience yami benginga-understand. So mina cause I'm one person, mangizitshelile ukuthi into ngizoyenza, I see it through. So I completed my cycle, my first cycle nale ashwagandha, the first month ngabona ukuthi eish yazini, and but only in the third week, no, leading to the fourth week, bese ngibona ukuthi now ngathi sengumuntu olalayo because bingalali. Enye into eza ne-depression, ye-grief, ne-grief, ne-stress, nani nani, it's because awulali. The minute everything quiets down, wena uyaqala ucabanga iy'nkinga zakho, uthatha uyabeka, uyahlanganisa, ulala ngencwadi encane, ubhala iy'kweliti, uyangi-understand-a, ulo muntu loyo ukuthi ini kumele kwenzakaleni, you understand. But what I found with ashwagandha is now that my quality of sleep had improved. You understand? Bese ngikwazi ukuthi manje ngicover ama 8 hours yami, because as a person generally, if you don't sleep enough, you're gonna be cranky, angeke ubuke right, angeke ube umuntu ojabulile, awulala ngisho wena awulali. And bengiloko ngithi kibadim no sana badimu gale ba ile vacationing ibile ba tswile high 3 high 4 ke ntse ke re ke badimo, kanti no, it was the grief, it was the stress, it was the depression, you understand? So fine. So I then ngahlala ke on the internet, and then I went down the rabbit hole, ngaba introduced to a brand leya Discam. Hayi sana, hayi sana. You see, when I started taking that brand, I knew that sana andazi uba ndenze ndithini ne. So I started taking the brand. Now I was patient with it. You understand? I was patient with it. I guess it's my second month. Ngapusha nayo. So because I was not well versed in how to take my ashwagandha, I was drinking 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. So what was supposed to last me literally a month, mina, it lasted me sometimes 15 days. And you know, it's 60 capsules. No, it was 60 capsules, mina man. 60 capsules. And then yeah, 60 capsule is supposed to last me a month, but mina it was lesser because ngangithatha two. Ngifuna ukubulala le pain nabo, because also the reviews online were a bit encouraging, and I was like, anything to actually heal, anything to feel better. So I was consistent. I was taking that Discam Gold, and then I started the first bottle, and then I ngisho nagi, you know, and then Maseng got the first bottle. While I was in my second bottle, it was when I was realizing Uguti, something has changed in me. Angisese uloya muntu loya who is emotional. Guys, I'm an emotional person. I'm an empath mina. Ngiyakhala. My expression of my emotions that are piled up. And mind you, I'm not good in talking about my feelings, ne? So I pile up things, ndiyazibeka, and then kube na that one particular day uthole kunento eyenzakele ndiqhume, and then now you know how I truly feel. So I literally felt my calmness. So I can say ukuthi my body now i-ashwagandha beyisangiklina literally from the first month going into the second month, and then only when I was now settling into my third month, then that's when I started now to feel the ashwagandha. I was more energized, guys. Ndandine energy. I even went back to gym to show you ukuba ashwagandha does something to your system. So I was more energized. Aphendlini sengumuntu ovukayo, because remember, grief, guys, iyakwenza ukuthi ube in a depressive state whereby you can't clean, you can't cook, you can't bath, you can't do anything. So literally with ashwagandha, I felt about no, now something has changed. You know, sendilama mohlekayo aphendlini. Because now I'm a little bit more relaxed, you know. Umntana uyabuya esikolweni, you know, mama, I broke my pencil. In reality, while I was still going through grief, you broke your pencil. But once I was on ashwagandha, I would be like, okay, you broke your pencil. What happened? Explain the story. Okay, fine, we'll get another one. You understand that? And then I was just a little bit more calmer. And then I did not stop. Then one fateful day, ndabona this, oh, then I also saw that there's powder, you understand, and then i-powder leyo ngiyithole ekhemist yesintu ke, bengiyobheka amakhandlela and stuff, ngabona bayibekile laphayana, ngathi, you know what, let me take it and try it as well. So I was double taking, guys, nami angazi bekwenzakalani, but don't judge me, it's my experience, angisho ngiyanixoxela. But I cannot rule out the fact that I watched myself moved from survival mode into a calmer me. It's like who I was 3 months prior to taking ashwagandha was a different person, and who was literally in front of me, Candice Jongile speaking, was a different person. And I was more calmer and able to think. Ashwagandha, it literally makes you go through your thoughts, before you do something, you think, yeah, should I do this, why is the reason for me doing this, and you just more calmer with your decision. You're not making your decisions out of flight mode or out of survival mode. And then one fateful day, I was at Checkers. I was getting a few things for the boys, and then I bumped into the Revite, or Revite, and I think it's a Revite brand, the purple one. That one is a beast. Out of all the ashwagandhas that I've taken, that one is a beast. Nalea said is chem, or actually both of them are competing for my love. But that one, I was literally cruising. So after I started feeling that, then I started going into deep calmness now. I was super calm, super nonchalant. I was super nonchalant. When I say super nonchalant, umzi uyatsha. Okay. Why ningathatha amanzi ngithele laphayana ukuthi kucime la ngaphandle? Hayi man, hhayi kushile laphaya. Uthi bani bani? Oh, okay, this is what, okay, cool. You understand? And then I stopped taking ashwagandha because of the level of calmness. Now I was feeling like I had this, and it's a high. I don't know how I can explain it, but it felt like now I was high. So I was like, that was me saying to myself, no, Sana, you need to reboot and detox your system and start the trial again. So then I stopped taking it, literally, totally. I stopped taking ashwagandha. I was like, no, I cannot be this calm, because now literally there was no sort of sense of urgency in my life. Like, I'm on cruise control. Every day of my life, I'm on cruise control. Like bending, like I was that person, but I sweat because I'm always late. I'm always I'm always rushing. But when I was taking that calmest hand ever, calmest hand, calmest hand, you understand? I literally left my relationship because I was calm enough to make a decision to be like, I love this man, but I feel like our relationship is no longer serving us together. And I left without fight. Me, I was gonna be like, no, I'm staying, I'm fighting for this, baby, I love you, baby, you're everything. I literally just went home after a weekend of us being together and just literally was like, Sana. I was like, no, it's fine. Like, it's chilled. I made a decision. I left emotionally before I could actually leave physically. Like, that's what I'm saying. Ashwagandha will make you be able to just restructure decisions, make calculated decisions. Ashwagandha will tell things like it is. And because Mina, I can't pretend. Mawunginyanyisile, unginyanyisile. I'm literally that, while I was on ashwagandha. So literally, um, then that was within the break. Then I detoxed. While I was detoxing, I would feel the withdrawals because now I was what? A little bit emotional. Being one, but the tears are coming back. Why are the tears coming back? Why am I not crying? I saw when I started missing my ex, I was like, we need to go back on the ashwagandha. And then I was like, you know what? Let me go back on my ashwagandha. But now I'm going back on it in a more calculated, stance. And then I went back to the Discam brand. And then I started taking it. And then I discovered Uguti taking ashwagandha exeni is not good. You actually need to take it midday and then mauyolala to actually help improve the quality of your sleep and to also irregulate your hormones and stuff, because you can be a little bit all over the place if you're not taking it correctly. And also, my sleep was amazing. Like, I was now going into deep sleep. But one thing I should warn you, I don't know, guys, do you go through this? The dreams on ashwagandha. I'm already a dreamer, ndingumntana amadlozi, but now it went from idlozi lakho likhulume nawe likutshele ukuthi now idlozi lakho literally like seniyawalka niyemaphakhi, like understand, nihleli niyaphuza. Hayi wena koknoms. Literally, dreams will escalate, like will escalate. Umthakathi ngoku andisamthuki kuphela emaphupheni, ndiyakuye ndifike ndimkrwitshe sana, ndimkrwitshe i-slow motion, ndimkrwitshe, ungubani wena, atsho ndimi uGeorgina, ndithi wena mthakathi ndini izapha, ndimleqe ndiyombona eyotsho i-ashwagandha sana, ayotshona sana, eyotshona. But into engingayitsho that with ashwagandha is that with my um ancestral or rather spiritual gift, it sort of elevated things a bit, because now I move from just being taking things lightly to now assessing things for what they truly are. So with the dreams, guys, ashwagandha will literally make you dream about a lot of things. You'll see things in your dreams, and I love it for that because Mina, I rely on my dreams. I communicate with my things, people there in the skies with my dreams. So the more I dream, I like, because for a long time my dreams had stopped. But when that part of me opened up, I was excited. Although some dreams, no, uzawuphupha ngenye imini unguGodzilla sana. And I think the most dreams I enjoyed about the ashwagandha is the dreams I had with my mom. I have with my mom. Like they became more interactional instead of just, So however, people say ashwagandha will cause you to hallucinate a lot. That's why it's different strokes for different frogs. I don't want to come sit here and share. Remember, guys, I'm sharing with you my experience. I am not a doctor. I am not a medical doctor in ashwagandhism. I'm just here to share with you my personal experience, how ashwagandha was. But I love dreaming. There's nothing wrong. As no matter how stupid the dream is, the fact that my antennas clocked in, like the check in higher in the spirit, that goes a long way for me. I love that. So we should not be afraid of dreaming. That's our messages from our ancestors. So the only thing that ashwagandha will do is that your inbox will be full, right? It will be full. Okay. So now and then with my weight, I started also losing a bit of weight. I was a bit overweight for myself because mina umuntu onona pants in my bums and my thighs, and you'll see you'll see amarai and all of that. And I felt like no, I was getting bigger. I had a moon face. I had a moon face. Yabazi obabuso obuthethayo ukuba une-stress. That's the face I had. I had a moon face. Yabona into ebonisayo nje ukuthi like awukho right. And I slowly saw that started to gradually change, and my face was also breaking out at some point. But I saw that with ashwagandha, I was actually no more breaking out as I used to, especially when I'm going into my luteal phase. I used to break out a lot. There just would be a lot. I would easily catch like UTIs and all of that. But I saw that while I was on, like literally on ashwagandha, most of my system was a bit more regulated. However, when it comes to alcohol, my tolerance with alcohol while I was on ashwagandha was literally very low. Like 1, 2 glasses, I'm okay. And that I loved it because I see good, okay, that's discipline. So the only thing while I was taking ashwagandha, I stopped drinking wine because iwine ingivusela i-heartburn. So beyiseyikhuphuka kakhulu, and then like ngihlangahlangane sengusiso hlala lapho Gaviscon. So that's when I moved from going from wine, then I started like going into your sparkling wines, your cocktails and all of that, and staying away from anything that actually will increase the acid levels up my esophagus and make me not sleep at night. Because like mangiphuzile wine, literally ebusuku bengizwa la kuthi ithi buya 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 buya. You understand? But however, ashwagandha, outside of that, the consistency just helped me. I was more energetic, mangikhathele because mhlampe I was doing X, Y, and Z, but I feel ukuthi I was more calmer and less reactive, and able to make calculated decisions, like I said. And one thing I can just say that I'm grateful for, because ashwagandha really regulated my nervous system. And when I took on, there was a 21-day journey I took when I was starting my YouTube. That was when I was going on my second trial now of ashwagandha. I literally started my second trial in January. And I loved what that did for me, because now I was taking it much more informed and all of that. And literally, it was more about a self care thing. And my nervous system was so regulated. And once you are calmer in life, things just, I don't know, alter themselves. Guys, lives change because the universe reflects to you what you give to it. So when I used to be so stressed, living in survival mode, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, panicking, yo, millions, so millions, oh my God, yo, oh my deadline. That's the energy that the universe was literally giving to me. It was just piling on stress, piling on stress, piling on stress. But literally, once I was like, oh, the universe has got it covered. I don't have to worry about it. And not just me being nonchalant about it, but it was just me being regulated and calm. And I watched my life literally just miraculously fall into place. Things I've been praying about, trying to manifest, I saw them coming into pass. I literally saw myself, moving becoming more of the woman I always wanted to become. And I love that about me because I did not like myself how I was, especially when I was still in that survival mode. When I was telling you guys, being in survival mode is not nice. And survival mode, I'm not talking, I mean ukuthi wena nje like usempini lana emhlabeni, like yo kumele ngisebenze, yo in yo like yo I don't live like that. That's why I say I'm not a hard worker mina. I'm a smart worker. Angizelanga ngizogqilazeka la emhlabeni. And if anything steals and takes away from my peace, I do not entertain it. And so part of my healing started then when I realized that, you know what, I need to take things easier and easier and easier. Ashwagandha, trust me guys, is a form of self-care. You understand? It's a form of self-care for you to just regulate yourself, because truth is ashwagandha does not take away your problems. It will not take away your problems, but it will assist you in dealing with them. You understand? So don't think if you're taking ashwagandha, umashonisa is gonna eventually, you understand. The only thing that you need to tap out of is now if you are not looking after yourself. Supendugi para, you don't care about yourself, you're not doing anything. Then it means that your trial of ashwagandha, you need to get over it, detox a bit, and then start over again and go. Because remember, when you're taking ashwagandha, you need to take breaks in between it, so your system ingabi overloaded. And also invest in drinking ama-fruits, ama-veggie, ublende izinto ezidetoxayo umzimba, and that detox the liver, because taking too much of anything is not good, guys. I don't care from whatever angle you look at it. So a person might come and want to be Professor Ngqongqoshe and want to write paragraphs and paragraphs and paragraphs. Okusalayo siyotyiwa zimpethu. So if you do what works for you, I'm telling you what works for me. And me on ashwagandha means that I am my best self. I am calmer. And should I stop taking ashwagandha, I feel that now I've developed enough tools on regulating myself, on dealing with things better, on not and centering myself. That's what ashwagandha actually does. I forgot to tell you that it makes you become so selfish about yourself. You literally center yourself. So when babonayo on social media that are literally saying it turned them into amapara and all of that, they just need to understand that they're going through their first phase, and ashwagandha is uprooting the dirt. And once you find yourself now in a state of glowing, looking better, doing better, it means now ashwagandha is doing the work it does. Because ashwagandha is energy, stress, and sleep support. Young understand that it's an adaptogen that helps to increase energy and resistance to stress. You understand that it helps improve memory and quality of sleep. That's umsebenzi ashwagandha. That's what it does, baby. Umsebenzi wayo. So when umsebenzi wayo izowenza, that's why ngithi siresponda ngokungafani and asiphuzi nezinto ezifanayo singabantu. And ama-brands lawa azokuphatha differently depending on who you are. You need to just find a brand that works for you. You understand? And then while I was on the in the internet of late, then I discovered ukuthi I'm taking magnesium glycinate, and ashwagandha is actually good. So this is my magnesium glycinate. So I'm almost done with it, because actually it's done. I think there's about two tablets left, but I literally didn't start this so long ago. So because I 30 la and amaphilisi lawa makhulu, so mina ngiwaphula ngaphakathi and then ngithatha i-ashwagandha eyi-1 ne-magnesium glycinate eyi-1. But mangisaqala ukuthatha i-magnesium glycinate ngangiyitha i-magnesium glycinate ke uzolala, uzoba relaxed, nayo iyanceda, iyabambisana basically ne-ashwagandha ne. I'm trying to see if lana babhalile anything about it. But you can go on Google and check what happens when you put magnesium glycinate, guys. I hate sounding like a professor. We are just having a girl chat and stuff. So Magnesium glycinate is very good. So ama-magnesium also ayahluka, but lena mina ngisebenzisa le magnesium glycinate. So the only thing I did wrong mina was because I was taking magnesium glycinate, ashwagandha, excuse me, and hibiscus tea. So literally before bed, that was my combo, and I was at my sleepiest. Literally, even throughout the day, I was at my sleepiest so much. You know, it's crazy. However, I'm literally now completing this course of this ashwagandha, but I don't think I'm gonna finish it because this brand is very strong, guys, and it's literally gonna make you sleepy. Like Isolo, I was literally sitting and thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I actually, you know, when you're sitting, you're thinking, you know those feelings when your brain takes a break. I was thinking, yes, actually, it's been a while since I've been stressed. Literally, I'm so calm. I feel nothing. That's what I'm thinking. So this one is another danger. So I feel like ngizobuyela kule-acid scam because le-acid scam, my experience with it has been more, you know, yeah. But this one, no, guys. And also lena i-ashwagandha yakhona lana ngifuna ukunibonisa yona ukuthi it's 500 milligrams, and then the acid scam, I think it's 300 or 250. So you can imagine if you are taking two of these. So lana sengiphuza one capsule mina. One capsule and half of this, then I go to bed. That's it. So I now am at a point where I don't take ashwagandha as a way to suppress feelings and emotions and stuff, but now I'm taking it should I feel the need to do so. I don't know if I'm making sense because I've seen the work that it's done. That's why I'm saying that this is my personal experience. It does not have to be yours. You probably had the worst experience with ashwagandha. And granted, my love, we are trying this thing out. Nobody's an expert here, but I'm just here. But the only thing here, guys, what they don't tell you about ashwagandha is how ashwagandha controls your libido. I thought it is my 30s. Kanti no, it's ashwagandha. Ashwagandha will have you humping literally even a rock. Ashwagandha izakwenza uphenduke unogwaja, nguwe lo, okanye uzawusebenzisa i-rose ide iphuke sana, kuphela ibhetri kuwe negesi sana, kuwe negesi ulayite i-generator. You know, that's how much ashwagandha is. And if your partner okanye your man does not know you are taking ashwagandha, please tell him so that he does not think ukuthi you are too hypersexual and all of these things egqibe sebaleka, because ashwagandha does that. But I also feel like it also controls a bit of my hormones because as much as I have a high sex drive, then there are days where I'm literally, I don't want anything. I literally don't want sex. There are months where like there's weeks where like I don't want sex, I don't want anything. But when that Devon rush come, Devon rush, oh sana, oh sana, kungaqhekeka ii-braces sana. Sendithi ngoku sana, akukho noqinga sana. The only thing in your head is adult activities. So some other people are taking Biogen and all these other things and ton. Guys, akho yeza elingena side effects apha emhlabeni. Alikho kwa Panado, kwa Grandpa, kwa wine. I understand. I'm trying to say to you, there is nothing that does not have after effects or side effects or disadvantages in the long term, or alcohol. Everything, even the bread, the food we eat, has long term effects to it. So I will not bash anybody or listen to people's projection on what they feel. But that's until that this is my personal experience on taking ashwagandha. But now the only thing, ashwagandha is just ashwagandhing a little bit too much because I have been single and I'm comfortable with being single. Anything that requires a man, delete me off your page and block me and my banner account. I feel like I've healed so much that I'm pouring into myself. Ashwagandha is forcing me to pour into myself. And now I don't know how I'm going to navigate the dating scene again. I don't know how. Yes, it does get lonely at times, but I feel like andazi ngizawuthini, like I'm so unbothered by the fact that there is no man in my life. But should one want to come now, I don't know how I'm gonna maneuver that. And it's not like I'm nonchalant. I don't care. I'm present. I'm alive. I love. So outside of the topic nje, of just taking ashwagandha for stress, being a healer, guys, is a lot. You guys know this personally. I am not one that's pro my work. I dread my work. I don't actually anguthandi umsebenzi wami ngale ndlela le ngicabanga ngayo, guys. Ngiyo lento leyo, but if I could, I would actually not, because it drains me, that thing. Sometimes you find ukuthi iy'nkinga zabanye abantu ngithwele zona. I'm not even stressed by my problems. So izinto ezifana nabo-Ashwagandha zi-right than ukuthi uzithole sowuphuza ama-antidepressant sebakudiagnose soyohlala in mental hospitals laphayana. Kanti no, indaba yakho iyi-one, regulate your nervous system. Like regulated. It's so crazy how even when I started regulating my nervous system, my whole clientele just flipped with me. It's like people got on the program. Like I'm getting people that want to better themselves, that want to better their lives, that are no that are not male centered like that. You kind of get what I'm saying. So I feel like the universe is a great a projector of who you are. Izokubonisa lento yiyo. The life you are, what is happening around you, is a reflection of what you are putting out. So I'm pouring into myself, and I'm literally giving myself the love I've always needed. I'll never ever be embarrassed about my past or anything of that sort, because that girl had to keep it going to survive, to keep things going. But now I look at her, I get it, baby. Now we here. What's next for us? You can't understand. So abantu, just because they hear that you are taking ashwagandha, they'll just project ube ngathi ngumuntu ophambanayo okanye you are just on narcotics, uselling yawube and all of those things. And it's not really like that. As a woman, you deserve to be stress free and not worry about anything, and literally watch the universe take care of you. You don't need to stress yourself. Like as a woman, I feel like we need to get up to a point whereby we understand that as a woman, you do not need to stress. Why are you stressing? Why uphethe stress? Why are you stressing? Now manje you watching me, you stressed. Maybe you're saying impahla zabantwana ze-winter, awukakazithengeli wena ibra, awukakathengeli ngisho nama-slippers, usagqoka iqhapaqhapha or ufaka lamaputuputu lawa abantwana bakhaba oma-Crocs, and ziyabanda lezo zinto, i-winter manje. Ungayenzi lento leyo. Nawe zinakekele kancane. Thatha i-500 nyana or 1,000 from i-budget yakho. You understand? Once ufika to a point of being calm, izinto ziba ngcono, guys. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's not like we don't have problems in life, but I think once you change perspective to how you see and look at things, like things just work out for the better, no matter how bad the problem is. But once you change the perspective of how you are seeing it, one thing you looked at being a Goliath actually can turn out to be as small as an ant. You understand? So that's what I'm trying to say to you, that self-care, it goes a long way, and anything to have the best health, mental health, self-care, regulated nervous system, and all those things. And while if you're still triggered by hearing your ex's name, by seeing your ex's car, by seeing your ex's picture, all those things, like you still need to regulate your system. You're not attracting good, you need to regulate your system. Sometimes it's not a good to yellow you or anything, it's just your system you need to regulate. Like literally, Ashwagandha got me to a point of I choose peace in everything. I am always one to acknowledge my fault and apologize where it's due. That you will never count out of me. And I forgive Mina. I might not forget, but I forgive you and I let things be. You understand? But my chat to you is like, ashwagandha is good. It will show you people what they are truly are, especially with the dreams. Mina, guys, the dreams are not hallucination. Sisangoma okanye ndizawuphupha ndileqwa yi-hippopotamus, izawutsho ndijonge emva ndithi ngubani wena hippopotamus, iphendule ndimi hippopotamus. So anything to me makes sense. Like I do not pass by that. I do not pass by that. Like ashwagandha will make you realize who is for you and who is not for you. And what you see in your dreams, take it, it's not hallucination. And hallucinate mna ngithathela ama-terms lawa esilungu nawayenza wena. As-hallucinate la, asinasikhathi la. You understand? So I think ashwagandha is just a sniff in a capsule form, and that literally stays in your system for like a prolonged period. And yes, I forgot to also touch on my first trial. I was experiencing headaches, and also with the hibiscus tea I was also experiencing headaches, because that's why ubanama headaches is because your your sugar levels or your blood ntoni is very low. So akumelanga zibe low kakhulu, guys, sizoshona. But na hibiscus is very addictive. It's good for the skin, it's good for everything. So mina, anything that is good for looking good, you'll find me there. Otherwise sizawudibana kai ecebo lethu. But I feel like do things that nourish, drink lots of water, look after your kidneys and do all those things. But yeah, that was just my experience of taking ashwagandha and having another yep session. So iyafana lento nomuntu who's drinking every single day of their life. You understand? So we cannot judge anybody, but just take your experience and run with it. And I look forward to also hearing your experiences, how your experience was with ashwagandha, and what brand worked for you. We understand? We are not out here to be bashing anybody. We are just here in a season of putting into ourselves and looking after ourselves. But Mina, the plug I will plug you on is definitely ashwagandha. Watch how you look while you are taking ashwagandha, how you improve as a person, your spiritual self, your emotional self, and all of that. Abanye futhi bayazi abeze-alignment. Omunye uza lana ane-spiritual psychosis. Ngithi kuye ngicela uye e-Dischem uthenge ama-ashwagandha. Abuye after a month athi gogo, and right, it was not even the ancestors. I'm just going through a lot. So that's my chat. So allow stress to take the better of you. Singomama, we are raising kids. Ngoku uram ila economy ngamadoda. Kuninzi, guys, and you can't afford to be taking all of that and making it your story. I choose a stress-free life, and I will do it with one ashwagandha at a time. So this was another interesting conversation. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and do leave your comments down below. I'm looking forward to hearing your stories and engaging with you. So from me to you, it is nothing but love and light, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.